Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE N5. In this video I'll show you how to connect Rearview camera. In the beginning, prepare the original long cable that is attached to the dashcam. I will use this short one for purposes of the video. Now, connect the first side of the cable to your main camera and the second side to the rear camera right here. Now your cameras are connected. Thanks to this function, you can record simultaneously with surveillance camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.